Owacho kose okowacho? Amesema ama hajasema? Asante sana. As I congratulate the graduates today, I want to go back into history. Many years ago, I was a teacher. My salary was very little, and it still saddens me that teacher salaries are very low. Mheshimiwa Mbadi, you are the Minister for Planning. I know when people talk to you or talk about you, people talk about finances. But I think planning is the foundation of success, because you plan about how development will be overtaken, how development will be planned. Tafadhali tunakuomba, kando ya hao walimu kupata ajira, waongezwe mshahara. Waongezwe mshahara. Juzi niliona wabunge National Assembly na Senate wamejiongeza mshahara, hata hao wanahitaji mshahara. Waongezwe kidogo, hata kama sio leo, lakini hiyo mpango iwekwe. Iwekwe ama isiwekwe? Kwa sababu ukiona sisi kama viongozi tuko na gharama ya juu, basi hata hao ni wadogo wako na gharama ya juu. Ama nyinyi hamna gharama? Si mko na gharama? Some of us are local, some of us operate locally, and we know the burden you shoulder with your little salaries that you earn. An equitable or an equal society is a society where the salary of the lowest person is reasonable enough to take care of the needs of that person and the duties relating to that person's being and other duties that a normal human being must undertake. So in our planning, and now that we are broad-based, let us think of our teachers, let us think of our service people in areas like the police, like the military, and like in other areas, entry points, so that we have reasonable salaries. That said, those many years ago when I was a teacher, I happened to be Waziri's teacher. C.S. Mbadi was my student. He is a student that I'm very proud of. So even some people who may not believe that I'm capable of handling development, here is my student who is a witness of my ability to hand into or to train or to mentor some young people. Simnipigie makofi. I know he will say more about that. I want to say that as Migori County, we are coming together to serve you at the county level and at the national level, and we have been doing very well lately. I want to appreciate the leaders who are here, and even those who are not here, who may have sent and who continue sending apologies for not being present today. This college, this Teachers Training College, is a jewel. It is our diamond in Migori County. It is one college that we are proud of, and now that Rongo University is getting on board to admit students here, come May, hata sisi tuko ndani hapo hapo hapo. So thank you very much, Rongo University. We know a municipality like this one requires a university to grow in leaps and bounds so that we have development. So I thank you very much, Professor Gudu and the Rongo University, for agreeing to this partnership. I want to say that as a county government, hapo tutatembea pamoja, we will work together and ensure that we have a constituent college and eventually have a fully fledged university hapa Migori, because that will be a county achievement. I want to be part of that journey, and I can absolutely say that that journey is not the journey of an individual. It is the journey of everybody, every parent, every Migorian. And when that success will be celebrated, it will not be the success of a single individual, it will be the success of all of us, including the students who will choose to study here and the parents and guardians who will be paying their school fees. The guest of honor, I want to thank you for opening your doors. I did request that you meet us as leaders of Migori County so that we raise with you, we amplify before you projects that are important to Migori County. In that meeting, all of us were there, including Mheshimiwa Odege, Mheshimiwa Masara, na waheshimiwa wengine, Mathias Robi, Kitayama Maisori, Nyamita, Paula Buor, Senator, Women Rep, and all of us were there, including Junet. When we work together as leadership, we speak in one voice as leadership, we deliver a lot to our people. So I want to thank you for your the opening of your doors to all of us, Migori County. You opened it, you listened to us, and some of the things that Mheshimiwa Masara is mentioning are some of the things that we had requested. I hope you took note of all of them. We will keep on reminding you. Even next week we look you up. We will be visiting the president to also talk to the president, who is the leader of the nation. I will be leading that delegation, and we hope to have you accompanying us, because National Funds for Development of Migori County, hata wewe ndio uko na hiyo sei. Kwa hivyo, I am politely putting you on notice of request that when that appointment is granted, we will be looking up to you. We will be looking forward to your presence as the chief delegate from Migori County. Unajua hapa Migori County hatuna mawaziri, na wewe ni wetu. Wewe ulisoma Migori County, where was your teacher? So when time comes, come and speak for Migori County, come and speak with Migori County, come and champion things that are priority to Migori County. Vile waheshimiwa wamesema, as you look for money to handle national development, do not leave Migori County behind. Migori County has a government with enormous responsibility but limited resources. All counties have enormous responsibilities but limited resources. I want to thank you on behalf of governors, all governors of Kenya. There was a reduction of conditional grant and additional grant to counties, but because of your generosity and kindness, you allowed the Senate to include more money, and the counties will receive more money that had been lessened when it went to the National Assembly. I want to plead with the members of the National Assembly who are here. Senate has spoken that counties get more money. Tafadhali hiyo bill ikirudi kwa National Assembly, naomba muipitishe. That money for health, that money for roads, that money for water, and money for other things belong to the people of Migori. They will augment, or the monies that are allocated to CDF will augment that money, and itatusaidia sisi zote. I also want to plead with the National Assembly, the Senate, and National Treasury. Tulikuwa tunawalipia hao karo. We were paying school fees for needy children, for needy pupils, and for needy students, including those who train at the university, those who train in Teachers Training College and KMTCs. But some people went to court and stopped counties from supporting those who are in need. So mimi ningependa kusema hivi, kwa sababu the National Parliament is the one that legislates. Please legislate and allow counties to support those in need. Hata tukiwachia constituencies pekee, ama tuwachie tu constituencies pekee, si hata nyinyi mnahitaji support ya county? Hebu nione kwa mkono wale wanahitaji support ya county. Hebu nione kwa mkono wale wako hapa. Asanteni sana. Because counties intervene when there is a need to support and protect those who are vulnerable. The communities that are vulnerable are those communities or individuals who do not have enough resources to pay school fees for the needy ones. So I am asking our honorable members of parliament to be supportive of that gesture, because tukishikana pamoja, tukishangilia, when we pull together, we will get to places and serve our people. Mimi nikimalizia, and without forgetting, I have members of the county executive wale wako hapa, hebu simame. I came here with a very powerful team. I have my Minister for Education, Rahab Robi. I have my Minister for Finance and Planning, Maurice Otunga. I have my Minister for Roads, John Oringo. I have my Minister for Lands, Mercy Okwanyo, and other public officials who are here. We are your government and we work for you and will continue working for you. And wakati tunafanya kazi sisi hatufanyi siasa. Lakini kwa sababu mimi ni mwanasiasa mkongwe kuliko hao wanasiasa wako hapa, allow me to say this. Please belong to a political party. Belong to what? A political party. When you belong to a political party, you will be able to adequately exercise and enjoy your political and civil rights. And the party of choice in this region, the party with the capability of speaking for you, loud enough to be heard, speaking for you to deliver change, is ODM. The party that is called ODM, whether it wins all the national seats or not, the governance of this nation, from the previous national administration to the current one, have identified the significance and transformative partnership that ODM brings on board. And if you think that political parties are a joke, you are the ones who fund them. Ebu enda wa Munyoro uone vile Gachagua analia. He is looking for a party and planning to launch one tomorrow and asking you to join it. It is a party without track record. It is a party without knowledge. It is a party that amounts to nothing. So if you have been a member of ODM, recruit people to ODM in order for your agenda to reach government. Government only listens to parties that have voices, and government only partners with significant political party. Sisi kama watu wa ODM, we are happy with the partnership we have with the political party headed by President William Ruto. It makes our people feel included, and it has included one of us, CPA Mbadi, as the Minister for Finance, and many others who belong to ODM serving in various capacity. Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba tuingie hapo kwa ODM, alafu sauti yetu isikizwe hapo ndani, na tuungane na vyama vingine to pursue the service that our people require. Since this is the day for the graduates and their tutors, sitaki kusema mengi kuhusu hapo. I want kushinda kupita hapo. I want to congratulate the graduates. I want to say that although it is harsh and difficult out there, the diploma or certificate you have acquired is an important tool. It's an important equipment. It is an important weapon that you will be able to use to contribute to nation building and the development of your career. Tumia hiyo nafasi na hiyo cheti vizuri, kuwa mzalendo, kuwa mtu wa bidii, nafasi itajitokeza. This certificate is yours. And I want to believe that even when you get to heaven, because I see most of you getting there, you will also carry it to heaven and continue God's mission in heaven. With those very many remarks, it is now my singular honor and duty to welcome the guest of honor today, Mheshimiwa Waziri John Ng'ong'o, or John Mbadi Ng'ong'o. Karibu hapa Migori. Wewe ni kijana wa Migori, and we are proud of you. So when His Excellency says yes, we visit him, wewe ndio utakuwa mstari wa mbele. Asante sana.